Hello guys, my name is D, and today I'll be making a very requested video. Some of you might be saying, I want to make a Minecraft thumbnail. How do I do it? Well, today I'm going to show you. First of all, you create a canvas that's 1280 by 720, transparent background, and click create. After this, you search for Minecraft land. So I suggest you get a picture that has not much going on because it might distract the audience. So for this one, I went for a flat world. However, later on in the video, I will change this. As you can see, I removed the sky from the original land picture, and then I found my own sky. So if you want to do this as well, you can search up Minecraft sky thumbnail and you'll find loads of options. You might see that my grass is a bit more brighter than usual. It's because I went into image at the top, clicked adjustments, and put up the brightness and the saturation to the amount that I wanted. And then I found my subject. This could be you, this could be a mob, this could be anything that you want. But in this case, I found a villager and a monster. Make sure you remove the background from both of these objects or whatever object that you have. If you don't know how to do this, it's the magic wand tool on the left side of the screen, or you can go on Google and click background remover and you will find loads of options there. Okay, now comes the most important bit of a Minecraft thumbnail. To make this effect, this line effect, these are my settings by the way. So you click on the brush tool, you make the brush size 2. After this, click on hardness and make it 100%. Now, you go on your subject and you make a dot, and then you hold down shift and click on the second destination. So make a different dot somewhere else, and you'll see that whatever website or app that you're using will fill in the gaps or make a line for you. Make sure you do this on a separate layer, and you make a line on every single corner that the sun or the light is hitting. You might also see on YouTubers' thumbnails that the lines actually fade out. So to do this, you rasterize your line shapes. You can do this by right clicking on your shapes and then clicking rasterize. After this, you get the eraser tool, and then you go on 0% hardness, and then make sure you put the opacity to halfway. You go on the edges of your lines and you carefully erase it until it's a nice and sharp and smooth edge. Do this for all the edges and for all the characters that you have. To make it a bit more realistic, you can add shadow underneath each character. To make this, you go on the shape tool and you click on circle, and then you make an oval shape underneath your character and then put the opacity to around 50%. Also here you can see that I'm changing the sky, I'm adding clouds. I'm also going to change my landscape just to make it match the environment more, because I was feeling like something was missing. Now I'm just going to add little glow effects, so anywhere that has a corner or a bright shape, I'm going to go over it with a brush, 0% hardness and low opacity, just to make it glow a bit. This will make the thumbnail pop. And there you have it guys, a Minecraft thumbnail. As you can see, I added a bit of villager particles and a bit of saturation and brightness to the whole thing. You guys can also do this to make it pop a bit. I hoped this video helped, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.